Hello, IB English students. Welcome to the video for quarter 3, week 5, day 2. This video is designed for those students who are absent from our live Zoom class. As a reminder, everything you say, do, or type is recorded, so please keep it school appropriate. And as always, there's no saving, downloading, or taking pictures of our class ever. Our agenda for today, first, I want to call your attention to the announcements at the top of our Canvas page. The first one is regarding your IB exam payments, which are due before April 9th. Please make sure you read through that information, and if you have any questions, please contact Mrs. Zersky. The second announcement on Canvas is about returning your copies of the namesake to the school as soon as possible. Ms. Taylor needs to use those for her IB students. You are able to drop materials off starting next week during the material drop-off and pickup window. If you were absent from day 1 of our class this week, I suggest you go back and watch the higher level essay outline video that I made for students. It goes over tips and strategies for filling out that outline. That's really important. Students use their class time to continue working on that higher level essay outline for perfume. And I'm going to use the remainder of this video to discuss what next week's classes and deadlines are going to look like, because we have a very strange schedule. So first, Monday, March 8th, there is no school for students. I will be grading and returning your high-level essay outlines to you as soon as possible. There's also no student support hours this day. If you have an individual question, you can send me an email, but I may not be able to get to it until Tuesday. I'll do my best. Tuesday, March 9th. It's a virtual and in-person learning day for SCB, auto, and construction classes. It is a B day, as well as a B day for those of you who are learning remotely, okay? It's an asynchronous day, which means that your teachers are not actually holding live Zoom classes. They'll have items posted for you to complete. I will have items posted under the name that says asynchronous instruction video under week 6, which will go over like tips, strategies, and suggestions for the higher level essay construction. Your task next week basically is to review that feedback that I give you on your higher level essay outline and write your higher level essay itself. That essay is due before midnight on Saturday, March 13th. I will be available during student support if you click on the student support Zoom link between 10 and 2. However, that is me doing that personally. Not all of your teachers are going to be available on student support. So if you need to get in touch with another teacher, please make sure that you ask them ahead of time, how would they like to do that, or how do they prefer to do that. On Wednesday, March 10th, this is a virtual and in-person learning day for SCB, auto, and construction classes, as well as for those of you doing distance learning. Right, it counts as an A day. Again, students will continue working on their high-level essay using the feedback that I gave them so that they can turn it in before midnight on Saturday the 13th. Student support for my class and my class only will be from 10 to 2. On Thursday, March 11th, this is an asynchronous day for all students of all classes. It is an A day. My students will continue to work on that perfume higher-level essay, again, due before Saturday, midnight on Saturday the 13th. Student support for me and for me only will be from 10 to 2 o'clock. And then Friday, March 12th. This is a half day and it is a B day. For my 8th period students, right, this will be an opportunity to do peer editing during the live Zoom class. I can't extend that as easily to the A day students, right, periods 1 and 3, because I don't have a half day to work with next week. However, if you're in period 1 or period 3 and you'd like to do a peer editing activity, please let me know. Like, give me your name, give me the name of the other student or students that you want to do the peer editing activity with, and I can set it up so that we're all doing that during, that sometime between 10 and 2, maybe on Thursday when it's an A day or on Wednesday when it's an A day. You also have the option of just setting that up yourselves if you want to, but if you would like me involved, please just let me know and I'll do my best to try and schedule something for you and for everyone who wants to do it. Again, just more time to work on the high level essay. Make sure you turn it in before midnight on Saturday the 13th. Student support on Friday, March 12th will be during our new normal time, right, from 7:45 to 8:45 a.m. Again, this is just for my class only. B days do not actually have student support, right? All student support happens on A days. However, I'm making myself available because I want to make sure that regardless of which day, everybody has an opportunity to ask questions. And that is it, right? You should be continuing to work on your high-level essay outline, which is due March 6th. Student support, again, is from 10 to 2 on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday next week, except on Friday when it's during our new normal time